Carguinha básica aí de uns 18, 20 metros. Tá descendo a ladeira para empurrar. Pneu da frente atrás.
Driving oversized trucks is a challenging task that demands high concentration, expert skills, and extensive experience. These massive vehicles not only carry tens of tons of cargo, but also navigate risky roads. However, some drivers take danger to the extreme by speeding recklessly, ignoring safety rules, and turning each journey into a high-stakes stunt full of potential disasters. Oversized trucks often travel on narrow mountain roads, slippery dirt paths, or areas not designed for such large vehicles. A single miscalculated turn can cause the truck to lose control and plunge into deep ravines. It seemed like just another ordinary workday for these workers, but no, a friend unexpectedly decided to join in on their work. Large truck transporting wood struggled to find the town of Zula Palm Hill in Durango, creating a cloud of dust. That's right, with its heavy load, every step of the truck sends dust and sand in the air, making the surroundings appear hazy and challenges. Super heavy trucks carry tens or even hundreds of tons of cargo, making maneuvering difficult, especially on slopes or when sudden braking is needed. A small skid can turn the truck into a deadly force, leading to catastrophic consequences. Get ready to be amazed as Transports Monteo from Colombia tackles the massive task of transporting a giant mining dump truck. In Fairmont, Minnesota, an ethanol train derailed, causing the tracks to lift. approaching the timber-loaded vehicle, the truck carries a massive load of wood preparing for the next stage in the lumber industry. Many bridges are not built to withstand extreme loads, yet some drivers recklessly test their luck, risking a collapse. Additionally, muddy roads, landslides, and giant potholes can cause trucks to get stuck or tip over. A wooden bridge in Norway unexpectedly collapsed, causing a car and a truck to plunge into the water. Heavy rain can turn roads into slippery hazards, while thick fog or snowstorms can severely reduce visibility. In these conditions, controlling an oversized truck requires composure and advanced handling techniques to prevent accidents. Pre-trip vehicle inspection. Ensure brakes, tires, suspension, and engine systems are in optimal condition. Maintain safe speeds. Avoid excessive speeds on narrow roads, steep slopes, or during low visibility conditions. Proper braking techniques. Use engine braking when descending hills to prevent brake failure. Keep a safe distance. Ensure enough space for emergency maneuvers when needed. Prepare for emergencies. Carry essential tools like tow cables, spare tires, and repair kits to handle unexpected situations.